Final Draft scripts use this format. If you don't have the screenwriting software, you can't read the dialogue or formatting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a workaround to view the script. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated AV file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. The AV serves as a primary example within the document file classification. The file architecture mirrors the design of Final Draft AV script. The AV file is a highly proprietary script format used by Final Draft software. It contains the complete script data, including scenes, characters, and dialogue, formatted according to industry standard film and television formatting rules. Developed by Final Draft, the design rules are closed source and focused on maintaining strict Hollywood-style formatting integrity. The file is structured to be read and rendered exclusively by the Final Draft application, as it applies contextual formatting rules that no standard word processor can interpret correctly. Generally, AV files are associated with Final Draft developed by Final Draft. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows supports previewing only, so meaningful editing requires a compatible application. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the AV file and choose Open With. If Final Draft is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the AV file won't budge, stay calm. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent AV problem. First, check physical connections. Verify that all video and audio cables, HDMI, XLR, RCA, are securely and snugly plugged into both the source and the display speaker systems. Next, verify signal flow. Follow the signal path from source, mixer, processor, display speaker, ensuring all devices are powered on, and volume gain levels are set correctly. Finally, isolate component. If the issue persists, try swapping the cable or source device with a known good component to isolate the specific point of failure. When the initial fixes do not succeed, we now know the file's resistance is absolute. The only realistic path forward is the comprehensive universal tool built for challenging AV files. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Until the next video, goodbye, like, subscribe, and fix those files. It's that simple.